Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is very interesting and very important, and this topic is very useful in our daily life. Okay, so let us start without wasting time. In this video we will learn meaning of self-confidence, what are the factors that contribute to build confidence, and self-confidence building tips. Okay, self-confidence is a feeling of trust in your abilities to perform a particular task. Means every person has some strength and some weakness, and people having self confidence not only have faith in their strength but also have conviction that they can deal with anything. Okay, self confident people have three main attributes. First is believe in one's own capability. Second, ready to accept any challenges. Third, willingness to take risk. Means जो confident सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन रहते हैं उनको जो भी टास्क दिया जाए तो उनमें वो क्षमता होती है कि वो जो भी टास्क दिए उसको वो अच्छे से पूरा कर सकें. ठीक है, और वो रिस्क लेने के लिए भी पीछे नहीं हटते. ओके, they always ready to do anything. Factors that contribute to build confidence. People have different level of confidence. Some have higher level of confidence while others have lower levels of confidence. So the major factors that contribute to build confidence are social factors, cultural factors and physical factors. I will discuss here one by one. Okay, social factors. Society plays a critical role in shaping and building our self-confidence. Our society comprises of our family, friends, neighborhood, relatives, schools, and strangers. Our initial interaction with society leaves a lasting impact on our attitude and outlook towards ourselves. Means interaction with family and social environment like family, friends, relatives, teachers, medias and neighborhood, etc. influence self-confidence of individuals. Development of confidence on self is a process which result from experience of individuals while interacting with others. Okay, next is saying cultural factors. Culture influences on child development and behavior. Children growing up in different cultures receive specific input from their environment. For that reason, there is a vast range of cultural differences in children beliefs and behavior. Means cultural factors comprises of values, beliefs and customs. Indians give higher importance to family values. Okay, so believe in the philosophy of Vasudeva Kutumbakam and follow custom of celebrating any festival. So by this we can enhance self confidence. Okay, next is physical factor. Physical factors like healthy physique, healthy mind, good appearance, etc. plays an important role in developing self-confidence in person. So, various attitudes that define the level of confidence among the peoples are reflected in their behavior, body language, and the way of speaking. Means a healthy body, healthy mind, healthy appearances makes people confident. Physically fit people are generally more confident than the people who have a poor physique. Okay. Our next topic is self-confidence building tips. Self-confidence can be learned, practiced and mastered just like any other skills. Once you master it, everything in your life will change for the better. Okay, so following techniques will assist you in building your self-confidence and also helps you in sustaining it in a long life run. Okay, so this is a SWOT analysis. SWOT. SWOT means S for strength, W for weakness, O for opportunities, T for threats. Okay, I am taking an example. For the selection of your competitive exam, you have to check or go through by this analysis your strength, your weakness, what are the opportunities you are having, and what are the threats you have to face. Okay. Next is some building self-confident tips are pointed here. That first, focus on your unique quality, focus on your education, participate in sports, talk to positive people, stay clean and well dressed, be an inspiration to the others. So these are the points you have to keep in mind to build self-confidence. You have to follow this. Okay. Thank you.